Welcome to 60 Seconds with Ketch. Today we're going to talk about quick connects, hydraulic quick connects. Always keep your quick connects clean. A little WD-40 or a little ether or something, clean them up. Be sure that you have compatible ends. Always be sure this little ball gets depressed all the way. This little plunger here gets depressed all the way. Only way for that to happen is for this to be closed all the way up. Screw it up by hand only if you can close it. Stopping right there doesn't count. See that gap? That doesn't count. That won't work. You have to close it all the way up. Be sure you retract your jack all the way before taking one back off. Thanks.